If your GMC Sierra's Apple CarPlay is glitching, freezing, or refusing to connect, we can fix that right now. Believe it or not, over 60% of connection failures are caused by a simple worn-out USB cable. Before you tear the dash apart, let's start with the simplest software reset steps. Follow these 4 steps to refresh the digital handshake between your phone and the GMC IntelliLink system. If software isn't the issue, these 3 hardware components are the most likely suspects in your Sierra. Outdated software on either the phone or the truck can lead to constant disconnects and lag. Newer Sierras with wireless CarPlay face different challenges than the older wired-only models. Most fixes are cheap, but a failed HMI module can be an expensive trip to the dealership. If all else fails, a full system reset or a battery disconnect can force the computers to reboot. Keep an original Apple cable in your center console, specifically for troubleshooting these connection drops. Remember, start with the cable first. It is almost always the culprit in modern GM trucks. Now that your maps and music are back, hit subscribe for more GMC troubleshooting guides.